Good morning friends, how are you? Today we are going to see first chapter in your Maths 1, that is algebra. Okay, the name of the chapter is linear equations in two variables. Now let's see what is meant by linear equation in two variables. The definition says an equation which contains two variables. Variables means x and y, these are the variables, right? And the degree of each variable is 1, means degree is 1, means x raised to 1, y raised to 1, like that. There should not be x square, y square, no, it is not allowed. Is called linear equation in two variables. In general form, it is written as ax plus by is equals to c. Now, here in this case, x and y, these are my variables. Then what are ABC? A, B, C are some numbers, okay, and there is one condition that A should not be 0 and B should not be 0 at the same time. Means if A is 0, B should not be 0. If B is 0, A should not be 0. What is that? Let's see. If I say 2x plus 3y is equals to 5. In this case, what is the variables? They are x and y. What are the ABC? A is 2, B is 3, C is 5. Yes, it is a linear equation in two variables. A is 0 or B is 0. A is not equal to 0 or B is not equal to 0 at same time. Means what? If I say 0x, then there would not be 0y, there would be 3y is equals to 5. Yes, it is a linear equation in two variables. If I say 2x plus 0y is equals to 5, still since B is 0 but A is not 0, it is a linear equation in two variables. But if you say 0x plus 0y is equals to 5, then my dear friends, this is not a linear equation in two variables. Understood the condition? Now, in your book on page 1, there is one activity which we are going to see down. What is that activity? They have given us some equations and they have asked us, is the equation a linear equation in two variables or not? We have to write the answer in yes-no format. First example they have already solved. 4m plus 3n is equals to 12. It is written in this format. Ax plus by is equals to c. M and n are the variables having degree 1. So yes, it is a linear equation in two variables. Second one, 3x square. Now the degree becomes 2. So our answer is no, it is not a linear equation in two variables. Okay. Root 2x, x is having degree 1, minus root 5y is equal to 16. See here, root 2 and root 5 are the numbers. X and y are separate variables. They are having degree 1. So yes, again it is a linear equation in two variables. Now 0x plus 6y minus 3 is equals to 0. 0x but 6y is there, right? So yes, it is a linear equation in two variables. Here 0.3x plus 0y minus 36. Now 0y is there but 0.3x is also there. So we can say again, yes, it is a linear equation in two variables. 4 upon x plus 5 upon y is equals to 4. Now in this case you can see x and y are in the denominators. X is having degree 1, y is having degree 1. But since they are in the denominators, do you remember the law of indices? It says 1 upon a raised to m is equals to a raised to minus m. So by using this law, can we say 1 upon x raised to 1 is equal to x raised to minus 1? Then in that case, the degree becomes minus 1 and degree minus 1 is not allowed. So it is not a linear equation in two variables. Understood? For xy, now xy becomes x raised to 1, y raised to 1. The degree of this polynomial becomes 2. Okay, so in this case also it is not a linear equation in two variables. Understood this? Now after this we are going to see exercise 1.1. Are you ready for it? Yes. Now let's start practice set 1.1. First example, complete the following activity to solve simultaneous equations. My dear friends, let me clear you. Linear equations in two variables is also called simultaneous equations. Okay, so don't get confused. Okay, now they have given us first example in filling the blank format. So let's solve it. 5x plus 3y is equals to 9, equation number 1, and 2x minus 3y is equals to 12, equation number 2. These are my two equations. Let's add the equations 1 and 2. Now why the decision of add is taken? Please understand. In these two equations, you have to see the coefficient of your variables x and y. Here the coefficients of x are 5 and 2. Are they same? No. In coefficients of y, they are 3, 3. They are same? Yes. When the coefficients are same, you have to see the signs. If the signs are different, such that in this case the signs are plus and minus, two signs are different, we have to do addition. And if the signs are same, we have to do subtraction. Understood this condition? Now, since here the signs are different and coefficients are same, the decision of addition is taken. So let's add the equations 1 and 2. Equation 1, equation 2, written one below the other. Let's do the addition. What gives? 5x plus 2x is equal to 7x. 3y minus 3y, it will get cancelled. 9 plus 12, 12 plus 9 is 21. So x is equals to 21 upon x. Multiply by x will be divided by x here. So 7 3s are 21. So what is your value of x? It is 3. So we got answer x is equals to 3. Now place x is equal to 3 in equation 1. We can place either in 1 or 2. In this case they have told us to place in equation 1. What is equation 1? 5x plus 3y is equals to 9. Instead of x, place 3. That means 5 into x is 5 into 3. Plus 3y is equals to 9. Plus 3y is equals to 9. Now, what is 5 3s are? 15. 15 plus 15, on right hand side it goes as minus 15. So, 3y is equals to 9 minus 15. And what is 9 minus 15? 9 minus 15 is minus 6. So 3y is equals to minus 6. That means y is equals to minus 6 again upon 3. And what is minus 6 upon 3? It is minus 2. So we got the answers of x as well as y. Correct? So now solution. Solution is nothing but answer of the given equation. Okay? Answer is written in the form bracket x comma y, alphabetically always. Okay? So x comma y means first x then y. What is the value of x? Is 3. Value of y? Minus 2. So answer is 3 comma minus 2. Understood this? Thank you.